Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make yellow dudes video or gray or what to call it. So I have a prompt on this video. You can copy that on in this description. I have the prompt. His is an example if you don't know how to do it. I will leave an example how to do it. So I do muscleup and then will take some time. Now then I got this one, and then I want to make it stand muscle up. Okay, I did not do it, but you have to do it straight muscle. Me or something, but not what I wanted. But you see, you can do it like so, and you have to make some changes to this so you get what they wanted.